क्या तुम मुझे चैन से जीने दे सकते हो? कैन यू लेट मी लिव पीसफुली? कैन यू लेट मी लिव पीसफुली? तुम मुझे शायद न जाने दो। यू माइट नॉट लेट मी गो। यू माइट नॉट लेट मी गो। वो पक्का मुझे जाने देगा। He must let me go. He must let me go. और he will definitely let me go. He will definitely let me go. कोई मुझे पढ़ने नहीं देता। Nobody lets me study. Nobody lets me study. उसने मुझे गुड बाय किया और चला गया। He bade me goodbye and left. He bade me goodbye and left. तुमने इस मूवी को कितना एंजॉय किया? How much did you enjoy this movie? How much did you enjoy this movie? आपके कितने बच्चे हैं? How many children do you have? How many children do you have? यहाँ से बस स्टॉप कितना दूर है? How far is the bus stop from here? How far is the bus stop from here? मोबाइल पर तुम कितना टाइम बिताते हो? How much time do you spend on mobile? How much time do you spend on mobile? इस पहेली को कैसे सॉल्व करें? How to solve this puzzle? How to solve this puzzle? कोई मुझे पढ़ने नहीं देता। Nobody lets me study. Nobody lets me study. तुम हमें जाने दो। You let us go. You let us go. मैं तुम्हें जाने क्यों दूँ? Why do I let you go? Why do I let you go? Or you can say, why shall I let you go? Why shall I let you go? तुमने मुझे कभी हंसने नहीं दिया। You never let me laugh. You never let me laugh. या तो मुझे जाने दो या फिर तुम जाओ। Either let me go or you go yourself. Either let me go or you go yourself. क्या तुम मुझे मिलने दोगे? Will you let me meet? Will you let me meet? हमें क्यों नहीं बोलने दिया तुमने? Why did you not let us speak? Why did you not let us speak? क्या उसने तुम्हें आने दिया? Did he let you come? Did he let you come? तुमने मुझे सोचने तक नहीं दिया। You didn't even let me think. You didn't even let me think. आज बारिश हो सकती है। It can rain today. It can rain today. तुम्हें इतना समय क्यों लग रहा है? Why are you taking this much time? Why are you taking this much time? मुझे घर पहुंचने में 5 घंटे लगते हैं। It takes me 5 hours to reach home. It takes me 5 hours to reach home. ये खत्म करने में तुम कितना समय लोगे? How much time will you take to finish it? How much time will you take to finish it? सुबह से बारिश हो रही थी। It had been raining since morning. It had been raining since morning. जब मैं वहाँ पहुँचा बारिश हो रही थी। When I reached there, it was raining. When I reached there, it was raining. उसके पीछे कितने लोग खड़े हैं? How many people are standing behind him? How many people are standing behind him? मेरी बाईं ओर कोई लड़का नहीं था। There was no boy left to me. There was no boy left to me. Or there was no boy in my left. There was no boy in my left. क्या तुम्हारे आगे कोई है? Is there someone ahead of you? Is there someone ahead of you? मैं किस दिशा में हूँ? Which direction am I in? Which direction am I in? वो मेरे दाईं ओर है। He is to the right of me. He is to the right of me. Or he is right to me. He is right to me. वो तुम्हारे किस तरफ है? Which side is he to you? Which side is he to you? उसके सामने कौन था? Who was there in front of him? Who was there in front of him? दिल्ली भारत के उत्तर में है। Delhi is in north of India. Delhi is in north of India. क्या तुम्हारे बाईं ओर कोई नहीं है? Is there no one to the left of you? Is there no one to the left of you? Or you can say, is there no one left to you? Is there no one left to you?